Yeah?
I've had it.
You got this. Wow, your displays have gotten more confident. This is sick.
Low and slow pass, hopefully. But no flaps.
Wow. Ah, you scared me.
That climb rate is just insane, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Zero throttle. Landing.
Okay.
Well, 2 passes and landing. Actually, the landing gear's down. Should be good for landing. Oh, that crosswind, man.
Yeah. You got this.
All 3 gears down.
30 seconds. Arrival signal.
You put the flaps up early now.
Countdown. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14.
Way greased it in. What a leg.
She flies well, doesn't she?
Oh yeah.
I
You're
think it was
flying
that
along.
issue that we had with the ailerons and flaps not being set up properly. They made a big difference.
You reckon?
Flies, yeah.
You seem a lot more confident though behind the sticks.
Oh, it just tracks so nicely, so it's easy to be confident.
Your stopping points have way improved, and you can knife edge the other way now.
Yeah. And I don't mind putting elevator in during knife edge either to keep the tracking straight.
There you go. Hell yeah.